This is how you tell when your bit needs to be thrown away or when your bit is bad. This is the good bit. This is the bad bit. These are T15s, and watch how the bad bit performs with this screw here. This is the bad bit. Watch it skip. Okay, watch it skip. You hear that? Now, this is the good bit. T15. Get it started. Watch, it won't skip. So the bad bit, when your bit starts skipping like it did with this screw here, you know it's time to replace it. Throw it away. It's just gonna make you have headaches, and replace it with a good bit.